Guys, if you want to create your LLC or you want to apply your LLC, so first of all you can reach out this website. This is the officially website, and after that two method how you will apply your LLC. Manually you will fill the form, and second for the online. So today is the topic how you will create the SOS online account, and after that how you will apply through online your LLC. So guys, when you will click on that website, and after that you can come on business service. So business service available button, this one, and after that you will click on SOS direct. So click on that one, and after that will come on that page. So SOS direct, after that you can click here enter. Yes, click that button, and after that will come in this page. So here you can see the SOS direct user ID and password. So this one is old, our user ID and password, so I want to create for the new one. So you can click on that one, SOS direct account. When you will click that one, you will fill all this information and click on for continue. So I will fill this all information and I will continue. Enter account name, you can business name put, or you can individual name. So I will put my individual name first, second and last. So here first is last name, second first name, third for the middle name. So after that you can click on continue button. When you click the continue button, new page will be open. Here you will put your address, which one you already buy from USA state in Texas state. So you will put all address in that page. As already we buy address, the registered unique address we fill here and all detail. After that we will click here. You can see here address, city, state, zip code and country, and after that you put your phone number, and here also for your mail ID, and second for the put your password. This is the strongly password you can put it, and after that you can click on continue button, and you can save it, and it will be go for the next page. So this is my personal information. So here I will put my account, my debit card or my visa card information. Here I put my MasterCard all detail, and after that all address, individual, last name, first name is available, and you can click on the continue button. When you will click on the continue button, so next page will be appear. So here I accept. You can these all terms and condition you can click on I accept. So you already accept. So one mail will come on your mail ID, and this is for the code number, and this is for your password. So you can easily create your SOS online account, and after that you can apply your LLC. So the new password came from the mail, this one SOS direct. So this is the mail ID, and this one is for user ID. Password already you have. You will use this user ID and password, and you can log in the SOS form, and after that you can file your LLC.